Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Cooking World. Today we're gonna make yummy pasta, and pasta is my favorite thing to eat. These are the ingredients: heavy cream, cheese and garlic, peas, celery, red bell pepper and green, and onion, asparagus, Chipotle sauce, soy sauce, and of course pasta. First add water in the pan and heat it up. Now water is boiling, so now let's add pasta. And add little bit oil to it. Let it cook for 8 minutes. If you want to do chicken pasta, marinate the chicken with salt, pepper and lemon juice. Now you have to add pepper. Now salt. Mix it and keep it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I put in olive oil in the pan. And now we have to put the marinated chicken in this pan with the olive oil. Now cook the chicken for 7 minutes. Let's cook it. I'm going to add olive oil. You can add butter if you want. Now the oil is hot. So now we're going to add garlic and onions. First let's start with the garlic. And then onions. And then you have to mix it. Now you can add the veggies. If you don't have the veggies that we use, that's okay. You can always just add your own veggie. Now I'm going to add the Chipotle sauce. Let's add it. And just very little soy sauce. And my favorite part, mix it well. If you don't have this Chipotle sauce, you could always just grind red chili and add a little bit water and vinegar. Look. Now you can close it with the lid. And cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to add heavy cream. After 2 minutes, we can add pasta. Look how delicious it is. Now let's add cheese. If you don't like cheese, you can always just skip it. Now mix it. Now I'm gonna add chicken. So let's do it. If you don't eat chicken, that's okay. You can always just eat veg pasta. At the end, sprinkle some basil leaves. So let's do it. It's time to taste it. Super and amazing. And thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button and see you later.